New this morning, a Littleton web designer is now at the center of a Supreme Court case about whether certain businesses can refuse to serve you, and a majority of the justices appear to be siding with Lorie Smith.
Attorney and Denver 7 reporter Jessica Crawford joins us this morning because you checked back in with Lorie after oral arguments Monday.
Yes, I did, and she says that Colorado's anti-discrimination law would force her to create wedding websites for same-sex couples if she was asked to do so. She wants for businesses that create custom expressions, things like artwork, to be able to turn down requests that go against their beliefs. We don't know how the court will decide on her case until June, but in the meantime, I asked her a question that has been on a lot of people's minds, which is what led her to even pursuing this case in the first place.
A little bit longer than 6 years ago, I wanted to expand my design portfolio to create custom wedding websites. And I saw the way that the state of Colorado was treating other people of faith, people like Jack Phillips, and I was really concerned. So I reached out to my pastor, who referred me to Alliance Defending Freedom, and I spoke with them, and they said, you should be concerned. If you create consistent with your convictions, Colorado can force you to set aside those convictions to create custom, unique, one-of-a-kind websites communicating a message on marriage that goes against the core of who you are.
And she said that rather than wait to be punished for refusing to serve certain people, she wanted to take her concerns straight to court. The Alliance Defending Freedom did handle that case pro bono for her, and on its website it refers to itself as the world's largest legal organization committed to God's design for marriage and family. I also asked her what she plans to do with her future and whether she has any political aspirations.
I'm an artist. I've always been an artist. I've always been creative. I just want to create consistent with my beliefs and pour my creativity into artwork that I'm passionate about.
So from what it appears, there are no political plans, and she just wants to continue with her web design work for now.
But the other question I think this has brought up for a lot of people is, will she or would she refuse service to other people as well?
Yeah, I asked her that question, and here's how she responded.
I have declined projects that are political or promote a different view on a religion. And there are a number of different types of messages that I would certainly have to decline if presented. And so this goes beyond not just the marriage context.
So that answer is actually worrying for some. In fact, 21 Democrat-leaning states and the District of Columbia told the Supreme Court that siding with Smith could lead to members of protected classes having a harder time navigating the marketplace because there is a bigger chance that they could be turned down.
Right. Well, with the makeup of the justices and the precedent set by the Supreme Court, how could this case go?
Well, so we'll have our official answer by June, of course, but there is a general sense that the Supreme Court will likely side with Smith, permitting businesses like hers to refuse to serve certain people.
Interesting.
Thank you, Jessica. We know you'll be watching it until then.